water element and letting go of emotional baggages. Let it flow. Heal emotional baggage with the water element. This video is specifically designed for working professionals, coaches, spiritual seekers dealing with hidden pain. So, watch till the end. They say water has no form, but it holds every emotion which you have ever tried to hide. Water never resists. It moves, it adapts, and it cleanses. So can you. Have you ever felt a lump in your throat, a heaviness in your chest, or a sudden tear without any reason? That's not weakness. That's your trapped emotional energy, the kind we never get time to release. Today, we are going deep into the water element and how to let go of what still hurts inside. The spiritual insight. In Indian tradition, the rivers are considered as goddesses. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. They're not just water bodies, they are divine healers. Why? Because water represents forgiveness, emotional fluidity, and release without resistance. In ancient texts, rituals were performed near rivers to release grief. जो बातें कह नहीं पाए वो पानी में डाल दो. Because water listens. It doesn't need your words, it feels your pain. Science of emotions in water. Dr. Masaru Emoto's frozen water crystal studies the MRI scans of emotional release. Scientific truth. Your body is 70% water. Your emotions have a chemical footprint. Emotional stress disrupts water molecules within you. Dr. Masaru Emoto's famous study showed water exposed to loving words formed beautiful crystals, and water exposed to hate turned chaotic. So imagine the impact of your suppressed sadness has on your own body's water. Healing begins when your emotions flow again. The water release ritual. This is a powerful ritual which I share in my sun healing circle. Step 1. Pour water in a bowl or stand near a running water. Shower, tap, river, anything. Step 2. Close your eyes and say softly, whatever I'm holding, I allow it to flow. Whatever I'm holding, I allow it to flow. Step 3. Speak or cry into the water if emotions rise. Step 4. Pour the water back to the earth with a simple mantra. Hey Jal Devta, mujhe mukti de, which means, hey the water deity, release me. Instantly, you will feel 10 kg lighter, not physically, but emotionally. Try this right after this video. A true story. The guilt that washed away. A young woman once came to our retreat session. She had been holding guilt for 7 years over a broken relationship with her father. No therapy helped, no spiritual talks worked. All we did was this water element ritual. She cried, but for the first time, without shame. And she whispered, I finally feel free. Water didn't judge her. Water just listened and held space. If you're still carrying pain from your past, maybe it's not time that will heal you. Maybe it's water. Let your emotions flow, not freeze. Forgive, cry, cleanse, because clarity always follows the storm. Comment, I'm ready, to let go. Download the Water Healing Journal below. Join the Aviyug movement for full emotional release guidance. Let go, flow again, forgive yourself. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming healing videos, and share this video with your loved ones so they can heal themselves. Until then, stay mindful and stay ignited.